Okay, this is a test video demo on this redundancy test on KYAC controller series. Okay, so with me, I have two controller over here, and they are actually operating as redundancy to each other. So we have this active PLC, which I will also call it PLC1 and PLC2. Okay, so we have PLC1 and PLC2. Okay, I will show it over my video. Okay, this is PLC1 and this is PLC2. So in between this PLC, there's this redundancy internal cable, internal connection, and it's doing the redundancy operation. So we have remote I/O over here. Okay, we have this and it's connecting to EtherCAT. So this EtherCAT, we got this EtherCAT connection, coupler 1 and coupler 2. Okay, and notice it's connecting in line topology. Okay, at the benefit of this network switch. Okay, let me show you. This is network switch 1, or the network switch. Let me show you. Network switch, okay, and this is the second network switch, okay, and the line topology is connecting to the first coupler, which is this coupler, and followed by this coupler. Okay, so and there's a serial communication connection over here, which is the black and white cable to this Modbus RTU coupler. Okay, so we have this connection, and it's running vigorously. If you watch at the video, it's running vigorously with the blinking of light. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up this PC over here. Okay, and this PC is running at there's a web page running. So this is the web page that I'm referring to. Okay, let's input a value of 4.567 so that we can see whether it retain the value. Okay, we have this analog output over here. Okay, and it's let me show you there's an analog output over here. Okay, and it's connecting back to the analog input, which is showing this. Okay, the blinking activity is also in a manner of connecting back the output bit to the input bit. That's why you can see it blinking vigorously. Okay, so so over here there's a timer to see how fast it's switched. How fast actually is switched over to the other PLC. So now at this moment, PLC 1 is operating as active, and PLC 2 is passive. Passive means is always standby, looking out for PLC 1, and in the event PLC 1 is down, PLC 2 will take over. Okay, so yeah, so one unique selling point of our product is that actually our product come with this virtual IP function. Okay, so although the physical IP of this PLC 1 is 192.168.10.10 and PLC 2 is .11, okay, we have a virtual IP of .12. Okay, this virtual IP we have this function so that this software, instead of talking to both, actually they are communicating to only one specific virtual IP address of .12. And in the event of switching, okay, this 12 will automatically switch to 10 or 11. Okay. Okay, so let's have a test. Okay, this is the testing list. Okay, so we'll try to switch off power PLC power 1 and see whether it actually take over the operation. Did it switch over or not? Okay, now I'm going to take. Okay, notice this is the switching time, maximum switching time from PLC 1 to 2. Okay, notice this timing is only on the virtual IP. Okay, not for the EtherCAT. Okay, you may observe the EtherCAT there's almost no interruption or disruption. Okay, let me switch off the power. Okay, switch off the power. So immediately it actually switched to PLC 2. So what are we expecting now is that when the PLC 1 recover back power, and when PLC 2 detect PLC 1 is present again, then if PLC 1 is ready, then he will try to switch over. And yeah, so we got the switch over here, and yeah, so we fulfill the first test. Okay, let's try the second test. Is we'll remove the EtherCAT cable from PLC 1. Okay, EtherCAT cable, which is the blue cable over here. Which is the blue cable. Okay, okay. Now the blue cable over here. So I remove this cable and this cable. Okay, let's go back to the my page again. Okay, and okay, and okay. So almost instantly, what you can see is that it actually switched to PLC2. Okay, switch to PLC2. Notice the switching of the virtual PLC still less than 3.35 seconds. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it back. Okay, let me put it back one by one. And again, what happened is if okay, by the way, just now when I take out this light went off, and after it come back, okay, it will automatic switch back to PLC1 again. Okay, good. So we're going to go for the next test, which is to remove the Ethernet cable from PLC1. Okay, and let's try that. Let's try that. Okay, and okay, this is the okay. Let me go back to the picture again. I'm referring to the green cable over here. Okay, and let me try to remove it now with the benefit of this. Okay, and remove. So okay, notice it went off. Okay, it went off, and PLC2 take over. Okay, okay, let me put it back. And again, the algorithm will, if everything is fine, PLC2 will give up as a active, and PLC1 will take over again. Okay, now we come to the last test. Okay, we're going to remove the interconnection cable, which is the red cable. Okay, let me put back to this again and remove. Okay, remove that. Okay, so why is it retaining this? It is because we also got redundancy in the event. Let's say this cable is down. Okay, the green cable over this Ethernet switch will be the secondary redundancy internal connection cable. Yeah. So okay, let me put it back. Let me put back the cable. And with this, I end my presentation. Thank you.